Hello, pretend app stakeholder. My name is Ini, and I'll be sharing with you a comprehensive analysis of the project we worked on, and of course, recommendation for improvement. Okay, so I want to share with you what I learned about Agile project management while working on this prototype app. Okay, so our app was the purpose of the app was to generate financial education, encouraging savings through the control and registration of income and expenses. And the product's goal entirely was to enable our app users get real-time financial literacy and achieve long-term financial success by providing personalized financial tips, encourage good spending habits, and providing relevant financial data. So we had this project divided into 5 sprints from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is basically how our prototype app looks like. Sprint one, and then this is for sprint two. We've had some improvements, and then for sprint three, we also made some improvements, which was deeper, empowering our users to get deeper financial insights and proactive tools. We also had made some improvements in Sprint 4, which was to improve the user experience through new intelligent features such as predicted future balances, smart savings suggestions, and quick searches. And then lastly, in Sprint 5, we had we were able to improve the usability and intelligence of the application using AI and OCR technology. So quickly, I'm just going to discuss what went well in the project. So what went well in the project was the fact that as a team we were able to collaborate together. It was more like a teamwork. Okay, the collaboration was good, the teamwork was good, the inspection was good. So I like the fact that we were able to communicate clearly. Okay, and why it worked was that of course we all understood uh, English, and of course we all had respect for each other's time, and then we had sprint goals. So because of these sprint goals, we're able to realize and understand what needed to be worked on and the deadline on which to get something done. Okay, and then it's how it relates to other part of the project was because we had a clearly defined sprint goal, we're able to transfer it to other part of this project right from sprint 1 to sprint 5. We're able to understand the sprint goal, and then add have each person in terms of have each stakeholder, if it's the developer or if it's actually the scrum master or product owner, work on what is expected, and then come back with the feedback. And of course during the retrospective meeting we're able to get that sorted out. So one recommendation I want to make is for future projects. I recommend that we have more time to complete our sprint. Basically, while working on this project, we had just 1 week for each sprint. Usually, we're supposed to have 2 to 4 weeks. So I recommend that for future projects, that stakeholders are given enough time to work on their project, to work on each sprint, have as much as 2 to 4 weeks to enable them have enough time to complete each sprint. Okay, and so another issue, and so the issue was we had less time. Our project schedule was tight, and so the impact was we had to overwork ourselves. Each person had to go back, take enough time to out of their busy schedule to work on it. And then the solution we did was we constantly kept in touch. We constantly kept in touch. Like when I was a scrum master, I constantly kept in touch with team members to ensure they were on point. Okay, and then the application of the agile principle I have learned while working on this project is the principle of basically every old principle. I like the principle of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. That when we inspect each particular improvements, or when we expect our work, we realize that we are being transparent about our feedback, we respect it, and then we comment on it, and then we give our feedback, and with that we're able to adapt to ensure that our work is successful. So these are some of the things I have learned while working on this project, and I hope this video helps us in the future while working on future projects. Thank you.